In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the hidden settings in the Google Chrome web browser on your PC. Now, you might not be aware, but Chrome has a secret haven of experimental settings that can help you explore new features and customize your browsing experience. Let's dive right in and uncover this well-kept secret. First things first, you'll need to open Google Chrome on your PC. This should be an easy start for most of you. Simply locate the Chrome icon and give it a click. Once your browser is up and running, we're on to the next step. You'll want to direct your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser window. Here, you'll type in a special URL, Chrome #/ flags. This URL might seem a bit unusual compared to what you're used to typing in, but it's a gateway to a world of hidden features. Once you've typed it in, go ahead and press enter. Upon pressing enter, you'll be taken to a new page labeled Experiments. Congratulations! You've now stepped into the hidden area of Chrome's settings. What's special about these settings is that they're experimental, meaning they can offer new capabilities that are not yet a standard part of Chrome. The Experiments page can be a bit overwhelming with its long list of options, so finding a specific feature may seem daunting at first. Here's where the search box located at the top comes into play. Type in the name or keyword of the feature you're interested in exploring. This will narrow down the list significantly, guiding you directly to the settings you want to tweak. Now, once you've found the feature or setting you're interested in, enabling or disabling it is quite straightforward. Look to the right of the setting. You'll see a drop-down menu. Click it and select either Enabled or Disabled, depending on what change you wish to make. Remember, these are experimental features, so enabling them might affect the stability of your browser, so tread carefully. After you've made the desired changes, you might think you're done. However, for these changes to take effect, you'll need to give your browser a quick restart. Chrome makes this easy by providing a relaunch button at the bottom right corner of the page. Click this button, and your browser will restart, applying all the settings changes you just made. And there you have it. You've now unlocked a new level of customization in your Chrome web browser. Exploring these hidden settings can open up new ways to enhance your browsing experience, so don't hesitate to revisit the Experiments page and try out different features. Just remember, some of these features are still in testing, so always exercise caution and enjoy experimenting responsibly. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.